The question is, how should you prepare for your brownstone renovation? Well, if you are currently living in an apartment, then the most important thing that you need to realize is that you are going to be the proud owner of not only a brownstone with all of the amazing, kitchen and bathroom and bedrooms, but you are also going to have a roof and a basement. And you need to realize that those places where water come in, those places where you may not be thinking about because you've lived in an apartment for so long, are really going to not only affect the budget of your renovation, but also the long-term maintenance and planning for your new home. So the best thing to do when you're preparing to do a brownstone renovation, if this is your first one and you're not familiar with having a real piece of freestanding property, start to love roofs and basements.